covenant, my raise hand. How many of you guys covenant? I don't know if you was with me a couple weeks ago when I preached in Somerville, and I preached in Somerville, and I gave this story, and it sits in my spirit still to today. My daughter is 3 years old, and every night, she comes, she calls, I put her in the bed, and somehow, some kind of way, her covers come off. I don't know how. She kicks them off, but they come off some kind of way. But I'll be in my room, be downstairs, and I hear her, Daddy. And I come upstairs like something's wrong because she's screaming like something wrong. I say, yes, Madison, cover me.
Amen.
Cover me. As I begin to get upset at this, watch this, can I be transparent for a second? As I begin to get upset, because I'm saying in my mind, you're 3 years old, Madison. You can do it yourself. God quickly spoke to me. And God said, yes, how many times have I had to cover you? How many times?